Well, I hope you learned something today. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to ring that bell so you get notification of future videos that will be equally as exciting as the one you just watched. Now, before you go, give me a thumbs up on the video and drop a comment in the comment box if you got any kinds of questions or just think you got to sound off on something. If you have something specific you want to know how to do, well, leave me a comment and I'll see if I can't capture some content for a future video. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here for another Resto-Rat episode real soon.
Download the Resto-Rat app today to begin managing, tracking, and documenting your restoration project.